Most ServiceNow developers learn before and after business rules, but the real power lies in the async, which runs silently in the background after saving a record. In today's business rule series, we will unlock how async works using a real pharmacy app scenario. Hello everyone, this is Praveen. Welcome back to my ServiceNow Business Rules full learning series. In today's session, 64 out of 100, we are focusing on async business rules. Async business rules run after the record is saved and execute in the background without impacting form performance. To understand it practically, we will use our pharmacy application where diabetes prescriptions are automatically logged using async processing. Let's begin. This is pharmacy application we created, and now we are testing with the async business rule. Let's start. Here the requirement is send background log for every diabetes prescription. So whenever prescription is created with diagnosis as diabetes, log it into background. Let's say in the application, whenever prescription is stated as confirmation of diabetes, here diagnosis as diabetes, then automatically it will go message to the system. Let's start with the starting. So we can navigate with the business tool. How we can navigate? sys_script.list or through system navigation, business tools. sys_script.list. Enter. Click on new. So it shares name. First naming is important. As per our requirement, we are giving name. So we are giving as a diabetes prescription. Then click on async. Async diabetes prescription. The table is custom table we created. Pharmacy app. Pharmacy app. Then click on advanced. It will highlight the advanced options and when to run options will highlight. While clicking on advanced, it will highlight the when to run. We have 4 types of business rules before, after async display. And as per our requirement, we are doing async business rule. And then click on insert. That's enough. And condition is here, as per our requirement is condition is diagnosis as diabetes. So we should diagnosis is diabetes. That's enough, that condition. Then click on advanced, showing it this. So as per our requirement, send background log for every diabetes prescription. Whenever a prescription is created with diagnosis is diabetes, log it into background. So we need to declare the diagnosis as diabetes. So diabetes. How we can declare? By using if condition. If current dot diagnosis, backend value of diagnosis. Copy the backend value of diagnosis. Backend field, copy and paste it in here. Current dot diabetes equal to diabetes. Current dot diagnosis equal to diabetes. We are giving input to the system. Diabetes, DIABETS, diabetes. Then next line. So we are given here current means record that was saved. Current belongs to current table. Record was saved. What happened in the saved in the current record. Previous means old record values. It's not used here. Then here, if current dot diagnosis equal to diabetes, it will check the diagnosis field. So it will ensure the log happen only for diabetes cases. In case of other cases, BP cases or favor cases, it won't log. Only diabetes cases only it will log. Then next step. So we are using gs.info. Why we are using gs.info? Because it writes an information level log, usually for the monitoring and debugging concepts. It does not affect user experience. gs.info. What info we need to give? Here we need to give as this info we need to give. Async log equal to diabetes prescription rate of patients. This info just I'm copying and pasting here. Or you can write, no worry. It means we are giving label, message label for clarity. So this emoji helps for the quick identification as compared to other. This is optional only. We can try with another also. No need to worry. We can change, no worries. Then using plus current dot patient name. We need to know patient name. That's why we're using current. Current means current table. We'll for the current table. Current dot patient name. We can take backend value of patient name. In that log, patient name will appear. That's why we are selecting patient name. Copy this patient name field, u underscore patient underscore name. Then just paste here. Then close with this semicolon. That's it. Just format the code. It will run the spaces, then submit. Then we can check now. So we can create with a new one. Or open the pharmacy app. Create new. Patient name is Chitti Babu Async. Because we are testing async business rule. Sync 18th 1/26. Patient weight is 80 kilograms. Age is 38. Temperature is normal. The thing, sugar level is we are giving 190. Then only it will identify the diagnosis as sugar. As per previous business rules, it's automated. Then with symptoms, here precautions I am giving. Then I'm submitting. Before submitting, please save this number or patient name. This is better way. Then submit. Then go to the system logs. Type the system logs here. Then below this system logs, click on all. Then click on message. This message will appear here. Star message, search by star. Then copy that name. Yes, here two message found. This message as per the previous business rule, and this is per the current business rule. Here, diabetes prescription created for patient Chitti Babu, async 18/4/1/26. So as per our requirement, we done the fulfillment. Send background log for every diabetes prescription. Whenever prescription is created with the diagnosis diabetes, log it into background. Same thing, it's logged. By this way, we can practice very easy. And here two differences are there. Interview mainly focusing on two differences. What's the difference between after and async business rules? Both are relevantly same, but some factors will be different. That include the execution time is immediately after database commit. So after business rule will execute immediately as compared to async business rule. Then after that async business rule will run. The user weight is yes part of transitions, but there is no user weight in the async business rule. Performance is slower, somewhat slower for after business rule, but async business rule, it won't delay. It's immediate performance. For user cases are the quick post civic logic, and for async business rules need heavy logics and integrations purpose. For low logics, we can use the after business rule. For heavy logics, we can use async business rules. Mainly for integration purpose, we are using async business rules. Order of execution is before async business rule, it will run. After that, later it will run. In sometimes after business rule will slow down the system, but async business rule is best for the system performance, safer for system performance. It won't influence. That's it, guys. This is my ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Amirineni channel. Here I am using all types of business tools, including incident form and custom applications and pharmacy app I created and applied all type of business tools on the forms. Here I am doing 100 video series. Thank you, guys. Wish you all the best.